Hi friends, in today's video I'm going to show you guys how I personalize these two little sweaters using a very simple technique. First of all, you are going to need a blank sweater. I got these from Cat and Jack at Target, but you can find lots of similar ones on Amazon as well. I will link them below. Then you will need some yarn of your choice. This one is Malabrigo's chunky yarn. And then a washable marker. I just borrowed this one from my kids. I always try to buy them the washable kind because it ends up on their clothes anyways. And then a tapestry needle or a yarn needle. I started by practicing writing the names on a sheet of paper, figuring out the size I wanted. I hand drew these letters, but you can always play around with fonts online and just print them out. The next step will be to write the name on the sweater using the washable pen, and then you're ready to get started. We are going to be doing chain stitch, which is super simple and quick, and I think it looks really great. So first you will thread the needle with your yarn. You can do a knot at the end of the yarn, but I prefer to weave in the ends instead so there is no little bump where the knot would be. I'll show you how to weave in ends later in this video. For the chain stitch, you will come up from the inside of the sweater and pull the yarn almost all the way through. Leave a couple of inches for weaving it in at the end. And then you're going to go back through with your needle the same spot where you came up the first place. And then come up about 1/4 of an inch further on the letter. Now wrap the yarn around your needle and pull on the yarn until your stitch is laying nice and flat on the sweater. Make sure you do not pull too tight on your stitch, as this can cause puckering on your sweater. Then you are going to go back down with your needle in the same spot where your working yarn is coming out of, creating another little loop, and make sure to pull your needle through this loop as you come back up about 1/4 of an inch further down on your letter again. Keep repeating this process until you get to the end of your name, or in my case I have decided to do each letter in different colors, so until I get to the end of my letter and I have a color change. I recommend you take your time with this and do not rush. Also try to make sure that every stitch is the same length, same size. When you are done and embroider the name into the sweater, you simply just take your yarn and pull it to the inside of the sweater. Then fold the sweater inside out and weave in the ends. Weaving in the ends is super easy. You just thread your needle with the yarn ends and you weave in and out of the stitches that you created. This project is so easy and so rewarding. I think it's also a great gift. Everyone loves personalized items, especially on little ones. Please give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.